Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Google Docs. So let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for dark mode for Google Docs and open the extension. This extension has some of the best dark mode features available. After that, click Add to Chrome and install the extension. Then a new tab will open, so you can just close it. Then open Docs and open any document. After that, click the extension icon in Chrome and select dark mode for Google Docs. So your entire Google Docs page will switch to dark mode. So that's the easiest way to get dark mode on Google Docs on your PC. I hope this video helped you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.